Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today, I am discussing about overview of inherited and acquired disease of gene therapy. In our previous session, we are discussing about what is the gene therapy, and this chapter also correlates with gene therapy. Some researcher are studying about gene therapy, and there are number of disease, which is the gene therapy also useful in these treatment in this particular disease. So, SCID, hemophilia, Parkinson disease, cancer, and HIV. First of all, in previous session we had discussed what is the somatic cell gene therapy and germline gene therapy. They are correlated with inherited and heritable disease. In somatic cell gene therapy is a inherited gene therapy, not a inherited gene therapy, and germline gene therapy is also is a heritable gene therapy. How it works: a vector delivers the therapeutic gene into a patient target cells. Then the target cells become infected with the viral vector. Then vector's genetic material is inserted into the target cells. Then further functional protein are created from the therapeutic genes, causing the cell to return to the normal state. So how we are treatment through this gene therapy, in particular this disease. Gene therapy trial for inherited blindness. These are the particular inherited disease. How to gene therapy use in inherited disease. Chloroderma is a rare inherited causes of blindness that affect around in 50,000 people. There is currently no cure. So we are using gene therapy in particular in this disease. It caused by defect of CHM gene on the X chromosome. Without the protein produced by the CHM gene, pigmented cells in the retina, the eye slowly stop working, then die off. So we are using gene therapy in this particular chloroderma disease. Gene therapy for acquired disease. Cancer is the acquired disease. So we are discussing about here how to treatment in gene therapy, in particular this cancer disease. Multiple gene therapy strategies have been developed to treatment wide variety of cancer, including suicide gene therapy, oncolytic, and therapeutic gene vaccine. Two and thirds of all gene therapy trial are of cancer, and many of these are entering the advanced stages, including the phase 3 trial. Additional number of phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trial for the cancer in a brain, skin, liver, colon, breast, kidney, among others. So how to gene therapy using particulars? We are isolating particular gene and we are replacing them through the therapeutic gene. In Parkinson disease, how to use gene therapy. In this diagram here show how to gene therapy use in Parkinson disease. First of all, how to do procedure. A tube about to the within the hair threaded through the brain, one of the two subsequent nuclei where the engineered virus is injected. So through the here we are injected particular virus in brain cell. Now we have isolated particular gene, particular in functional gene, and replaced by the particular therapeutic gene through the virus. Thank you.